All right. Hi everyone, and welcome to the video. In this video, I would be reading the comments of my YouTube video. I would be trying to answering some of the questions that you have asked me. So let's get started without wasting much of time. All right. So the first comment from NG, he says, "How did you check? Hi, did you check out the latest video of Siraj? Siraj is now deleting all the negative comments from his latest videos because it distracts from the learning experience. He states." Unbelievable. No shame or decency. He tries to erase his scam from the history. Newbie caught fall of victim when he tries another scam. Well, even I agree to it. Even I agree on this because he actually scammed so many people and he was literally copy pasting his code. And now he also basically said sorry to everyone on a YouTube video, saying that yes, I did copy all of the code. So can you imagine, guys, just for some views or just for some subscribers, he was doing all of these. He created a fake paper and he did so many scams, right? So yes, I agree with you. He I mean, he did not. I think he hasn't learned his lesson so far. So yeah, what to say on that, right? So let's see the next comment. So Mihal says, awesome series. Thank you very much. So this is a series I actually did on Elasticsearch, and I hope you guys have really enjoyed it. But this is not the end. Now I'm gonna create contents on how to write complicated queries in Elasticsearch, right? So we are gonna learn a lot. So please stay tuned. You'll learn a lot. So, but Mihal, thank you very much. I hope I said your name correctly. Okay. Then the dream success says, Vaya, what is your future plan with Python? Which thing are you learning now? Which things you want to learn in the future? Wow, that's a very good questions. So basically, so answering your first question, that is, what is your future plan with Python? Well, at this point, I have done pretty much so many stuff in Python. I have done web frameworks, GUI frameworks. So my goal would be learning more and more in Python. So whatever new libraries or packages are coming, I'm gonna make sure to create contents for you guys so you can learn it. And that's my future plan. Keep getting better and better each and every day. Be better at meta programming, of course, in Python. I have an advanced Python tutorial series on that. But of course, be better at that. And I also want to do something for the community. I have been creating APIs, websites, so people can use it. I've been hosting on Heroku. So, try to create more and more services for people at free of cost, of course. I don't want money. I just want to help people. I feel very good and happy about that. Even if you want to do that, come join me and we will do it together. Then he says, which things are you learning now? Well, dream success, basically, I am trying to learn right now Elasticsearch because that's what I'm trying to work on my company. So I pretty much have done a lot of research on Elasticsearch, advanced query suggestions, and stuff like that. And I'm looking forward to teach you guys also that. So if someone needs help, he or she can just watch my videos and learn that, because I had to go through so many different blogs and read all of these. So it was kind of hard, and I had to invest a lot of time into it. So I want to give you everything for free, easily. So I'm looking forward to share my knowledge, of course. Which thing you want to learn in the future? I mean, okay, that's fine. So in the future, honestly, now I wanna shift my like, for my own purpose. I have done Python a lot, so now I wanna start exploring different languages, mobile platforms, apps. So I wanna learn pretty much everything. I mean, not everything, but try to explore different languages, not just Python, like C sharp. I have been exploring C sharp these days a lot. I did C++ and stuff like that. So just be a better person and learn different new things. Not to be I would say, not to be just comfortable in what I want to learn almost new stuff. I want to try new stuff. So that's my future goal, right? So Prathamesh Gogawale says, "Hey Somil, you are the best Python programmer on YouTube I've ever seen. Hope you will always teach us great things on internet. Keep it up. Really appreciated your work. Thank you." Well, I ha- I have no words for this. I'm really very thankful that I'm really, I feel really very honored that I was able to help few of them. I'm just trying my best to help each and every one. I can in all possible ways. Even for some people or some students, for example, last week there was a student who was had issues. So we were on the Skype and I helped him in his project. So if I am free, I love to help you guys. So if you have anything that you are stuck on or you are not able to do it, if I have time, definitely on Saturday or Sunday we'll Skype it and we'll figure it out. So. Thank you so much once again. I mean, I'm really very honored for this comment. I mean, it means a lot for my channel. I started with 0 subscribers and today it's a 3,500 plus. So thank you once again very, very much, Prathamesh. The next comment comes from Chinmay Dalali. So he says, even though having so many certifications, so this is the video basically I created. Since I got an internship, it's my third internship. I had to go over 800 applications. So now this is his question, and I'm gonna answer his question now. So he says, congratulations. Even having so many certification and so many projects under your belt, you still had to struggle for jobs. Damn, damn, that puts thing in perspective. Respect. Is this during your master course or after? And would you please brief on what you are struggling, since I cannot understand why you had to go through hundreds of application. I have seen your website loaded with all kinds of certification. Well, very good questions. So let me break this into step by step. So I came here in the year 2017 for my masters in electrical engineering. Then I decided to switch into computer. So I did double masters in electrical engineering and masters in computer engineering. I would be graduating this May. I did an internship. I did two internship before this. I did a lot of certification on Udemy, LinkedIn Learning. You are right. I do not know why is it that difficult. I was always trying to reach to the recruiters, and I showed them I know programming. I'm pretty good at it, but still I did not get any response. I think. I might be wrong again. I think it has to do with something like international students, because of course in United States the first priority would be for U.S. citizen, and most of the companies I believe they do not want to sponsor an immigrant for their H1. So that's one of the major issue. I'm talking about the small companies. I'm not talking about the big giants like Google, Amazon, right? So like small companies, startup companies, right? So they most of them do not want to maybe sponsor an international student, right? So that might be also one of the reason my application was actually filtered out by the ATS system. So even if I am applying, when I say, are you legally authorized to work in US? Yes. Then they have a question called, do you need a sponsorship in future? So when you say yes, I think they might be just filtering me out from the job application. So that might be one of the reason. Again, as I said, I might be wrong on this. Okay. So but yeah, you always have to keep trying. I never gave up. I always was studying hard, and so eventually I got my success, and I'm still working very hard to learn a lot of new stuff. So thank you very much for your questions. I hope you have enjoyed watching this small video. So these were some of my comments on my YouTube channel, and I tried to answer some of the questions. And if you have any more questions, or if you need some kind of videos or tutorials or any suggestions, please feel free to add them in the comment section. And as and when I read your comments, I will definitely get back to you. The thing is, from Monday to Friday, since I'm working as an intern right now, I do not get that much time these days. I usually wake up by 5 a.m. in the morning. I leave my house by 6:30. I come by 7 p.m. in the night. I have to cook and then I just sleep. So Saturday and Sunday is the only time when I get to make contents for people, for the society, and not do something for the society. So, but as I said, I'll try my best to get back to you if you need any kind of help. Usually there are a lot of YouTube comments, so I would recommend you to shoot an email at my email address, shahsoumil519 @gmail.com. So usually I am pretty fast at responding at my email. So just to let you know, you can just shoot an email at this address, and I can of course get back to you as quick as I can. If I do not know, I'll tell you, hey, I do not know, because I'm not a god, right? Even I'm a student, I am learning everything. If I know something, I'll definitely try to help you out. So that's it for this video. And by the way, if you want to reach me out through Skype, my Skype ID would be somil.sha7. So you can also reach me out through Skype. We also do have a Slack channel. So there are developers from China, from India, from of course from US, like Arizona. So if you want, please join our Slack community. Let's make project. Let us help every single guy. If you have any questions, problem, post it in the Slack. We'll help you out. So with that being said, once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for all your help and support. I will, as I said, I will try my best to get all the best contents for you guys on my YouTube channel. With that being said, my name is Somil Shah. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I would see you in the next video.